Hey, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy ThanksLiving to all of you. Thought I would do a quick broadcast to say hi, happy ThanksLiving to everyone. Find out what you're cooking up in your cruelty-free Thanksgiving dinner. Jen has taken the kids out somewhere because we had many hours between 5 a.m. when they woke up. Hey, and there she is. Hi. So I'm cooking up some celebration roast that's stuffed with some gluten-free and vegan cornbread stuffing. I've got a big vat of gravy, mushroom gravy I'll show you, and I'm about to start the potatoes. So we don't eat until 3 p.m. Here in upstate New York, where it's snowing and very cold. So we had some time to kill, but I like to get these things done ahead of time. So thanks for tuning in. There's my beautiful wife. She's actually somewhere with the kids right now, keeping them sort of entertained. I hope things are going well. And I'm cooking things up here in the kitchen. So let me show you what I've made. And if you're making something this morning for your family that's cruelty-free, please share it. Show me in the comments below, or just let me know what you're cooking up. And then we're meeting later on this afternoon with probably close to 15 other vegans, some good friends of ours, some Cornell students who didn't go home for the holidays. It's a big, huge potluck. Probably 15 or 20 people will be there. Looking forward to that. We're trying really hard not to eat this morning. Of course, I've been sampling things along the way, but we really want to be extra hungry at 3 p.m. So here, I'll give you a quick look at some of the things that I'm making. So over here in the crock pot, I've got my 4 quarts of gravy started. This was gravy, onions, and garlic sauteed, and then you add the bouillon, build it up to a very thin sort of mushroom soup, and then thickened it with the gluten-free arrowroot flour. Still needs a little thickening, but of course that can sit here on a low setting pretty much all day. And then here is a small sample of the gluten-free and vegan cornbread stuffing that turned out absolutely fantastic. We made a gluten-free cornbread last night, so it got a little bit stale. I could cube it up a little bit. Of course, that's cooked with some celery and some onions and rosemary. Rosemary is the seasonal spice as far as I'm concerned. And then finally, let me see if I can actually find the light for the oven. In the oven still is our celebration roast. And so there it is. That is basically a tofu helmet. It sort of falls a little bit. You can see it flattened out somewhat. That's made in a colander. And so it's a hollowed out tofu bowl. And then you fill it with the cornbread stuffing, put the bottom back on, and then bake it for, this is going to be in there for about 2 hours total, and then it just gets warmed from there this afternoon, and of course gets drenched in the gravy, as everything should get drenched in gravy. Jennifer Tasso, hi, happy ThanksLiving, and thank you for your greeting, and thank you for all of your love and support. Really appreciate it. Go over to the YouTube channel, The Skeptical Vegan on YouTube. Watch the videos over there. We upload new episodes Wednesdays and Fridays. Working on season 2 of The Skeptical Vegan. Very, very funny and exciting stuff happening in season 2. Extremely grateful that we can put these episodes together. So there's about, I think, 10 more episodes in season 1, and then sometime toward the end of December, early January, we'll start launching the season 2 episodes. So stay tuned there. Comment, like, and subscribe. Like this video. Share it if you want to. I know it's not all that exciting, but here are some potatoes to make it a little more exciting. Who doesn't love a potato? I can't help it. Potatoes are in my roots. Get it? See, it's a root vegetable. All right. Have a great Thanksgiving. Watch the parade. If it's probably might be over by now. Have fun. Cover everything in gravy. Hi, Lucy. Enjoy your California Thanksgiving. Hope everything is all right out there with this awful wildfire situation. We're thinking of you all out here, as it's, of course, 5 degrees and snowing. So again, happy ThanksLiving. Take care and keep animals off your plate.